Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today happens to be Debby Bubbles' birthday month. So we're here to celebrate with her. I'm going to start with the napkin, which is a cream color napkin with a wicker napkin ring. And then I have my salad plate, which came from the Dollar Tree for just $1. And then next, this blue plate with the flower etching. Now that came from the Dollar General for $2. And then next, I have this Dolly Parton placemat that has the blue edging. Isn't that pretty? That also came from the Dollar General. And we're choosing to do a lot of blue for Debby because that is her favorite color. And sapphire blue is the birthstone for September. So I'm going to place all these at all 4 settings. And I did add a knife and fork inside the napkin ring here. Another look at the place setting, and here is the centerpiece, which is a glass vase with a little angel inside it and some colored marbles that are bluish in color. And then I found as many blue flowers as I could and put those inside the vase. Most of the flowers are from the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree. And I did add a bluish spiral candle and a crystal candle holder and some twinkle lights inside the glass vase. And I just tucked it behind the vase. So that is the centerpiece so far. I will be adding more, so stay tuned. Okay, next I added these little white distress bird baths with a white candle and some bluish green marbles around it. Didn't that turn out pretty? I'm going to add those to each side of the centerpiece. The bird bath stands I thrifted, so they could be used as a candle holder, a candy dish. They could have really many uses. So here is what the table looks like so far. I hope Debby Bubbles likes the tablescape I created for her. And I hope she likes green tea. So here are the matching teacups to the salad plate with Salada green tea. I think that's how you pronounce it, Salada. And I also added a matching spoon to the teacups. And here is the blue wine goblet that I ordered from Amazon. So there's 2 of those. And then I have 2 more of a bluish tint wine glass. Also very pretty. And I believe I got those wine glasses at the Dollar General. And then I have this little cupcake stand with a little cupcake with some fruit on top. The cupcake stand I got at the Dollar General, and the faux cupcakes, Amazon. So here's what it looks like so far. So happy birthday, Debby Bubbles. I do want to thank everyone for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave a comment for everyone. See you next week for Tablescape Tuesday. Bye-bye for now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday. with your kindness and your grace. A true light in the darkness, a smile on